What's up, guys? How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. We're back with Zionix. All right, I want to just do a quick update. This is just a 7-day, I guess, review, if you will. I just wanted to come back and show you guys my results on what's going on from the time I actually made my initial deposit on the 3rd of September with this program. If you're here for the first time, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right. Now, so what we've done is we got started in this particular crypto platform. I haven't been in a crypto platform and I don't know when. Okay. There haven't been anything that's worthy, in my opinion, to even get started in. But when I came across this, I thought I'd give it a shot, see what it's all about. If you haven't checked it out, you can go ahead and create a free account at www.aitradingbot.info. Or if you just want to get started, you can do that as well. But before we get into that, of course, I want to let you know I am not a financial advisor. Not here to give it financial advice or guarantee anything. All right. If you're checking out crypto, stocks, any of that, just make sure you're using risk capital and you do your due diligence to do your own research, guys, and check things out. I kind of just want to check this out and do document my journey just to see how this platform actually goes. But in the interim, when I start seeing it actually showing results, I decided to share it. But again, I'm looking for something that's passive, whether people sign up or not. That's not what I'm here for. I'm here to just to see if I can earn passive rewards with this crypto platform. This AI bot, so far so good. 7 days. That's it. We're in 7 days. So just want to come back and give you guys an update what's been happening in 7 days. And I have reached the level in which I can make a withdrawal. So I want to see if that's going to work and see if it actually hits the wallet. So just here to document that as well. All right. So again, if you're interested in checking this out, you may have seen it out there. Go to www.aitradingbot.info. All right. So just wanted to display this disclaimer though. Again, use risk capital. All right. Don't invest any crypto that you can't afford to lose. All right. Because who knows about crypto in general? I mean, it's an investment. It's a gamble. We may win and we may not. All right, so let's get into it. Let me show you. Let's go here. So let's take a look here. First of all, this AI bot actually does all the trading for us. Now, they have, and I've done a review, so if you want to go check that out, just go back to the channel and do that. But I'm just kind of going to go over, the options. You decide what you want to do, check it out, and then I want to see if I can get the withdrawal. All right. So let's take a look. So they've got the AI bot, and this comes with a membership licensing. All right. It's for 1 year. Okay. Whichever one you decide license is good for a year. All right. I came in here at the starter. All right, the license for that bot is $149 and the minimum deposit is $99. You can put in more, but that's the minimum to get it started. So bare bones minimum, it will be $149 plus $99. And of course, this is a crypto platform, so it's crypto in, crypto out. So the starter, as you can see what it says here, starter $149 for the license for a whole year, minimum $99. And of course, there's no guarantee of what you're going to earn. It says the daily revenue share is up to 1%. Okay. It says here the signal access is 5 times a week and you get community access. The second plan is called the standard. The license for that bot is up $199 and the minimum is $249. Of course, you can add more, but that's the minimum. And the daily revenue share for this one is up to 1.05% per day, 7 days a week, and you get weekly Q&A and full basic training. Okay, because they actually want to show, they have in here, these over here to the right, you can see the benefits. They want to teach you about crypto and teach you how to trade if you're interested. All right, so this particular plan will give you weekly Q&A and the basic training, okay, of crypto trading. Then they have the advanced. That license is $249, and the minimum is $24.99, up to 1.1% per day. It says 10 times a week. You get intermediate and advanced education and coaching. The elite is $299. It's just for the year, okay? And the minimum for that is $10,499, up to 1.5% per day, 15 times a week. Custom bot optimization and master classes. Then they have the VIP is $549 for the year, and the minimum is $21,499, up to 1.5% per day, 20 times a week, one-on-one strategy sessions, executive membership. That's the memberships, right? Get your license. All right. Now, over here to the left, the first thing you would do if you want to get started is you're going to have to fund the account. That's step one. Put the crypto in. All right, once it shows in the wallet, then you're going to purchase your license, which is right here, what I'm showing you. And then third, you would activate your bot. All right, that's how that would go. Now, let's look at my back office. I'm going to go in here and let's see what we got going on. Hang on. All right, so here we are. Now, as you can see, we have earned in this is the passive. This is what the bot has earned me thus far. I started on the 3rd. All right, it's the 11th, and I've earned from what I have in my my bot, I've earned $12.63. Okay, so the minimum to withdraw is $10, right? And they charge you 3% per withdrawal. Okay, so that's what I've earned. Then it seems I have one referral, okay, and that person, whatever they put in, I earned, looks like 10%, right? It says right here. So I've got $79.34 in my referral wallet. I'm not going to touch that one today because you can only do one withdrawal at a time, and it has to complete before you process the next withdrawal. All right, because what I plan on doing is we'll withdraw this 12. Let's just make sure it hits the wallet and everything goes through. Then we'll come back, we'll withdraw this 79 on another day, and I'm going to add it in and just add a little more to it, and add another, if you will, 30 days. That's the other thing. Your capital is locked for 30 days, but it's not really locked. It's locked with a fee for 30 days. They're going to charge you 20% if you decide, hey, I'm going to go ahead and put some crypto in, but I need to get it back out before 30 days. They're going to charge you 20%, but they're going to let you have it, right? They're not going to hold it hostage. However, also, if you go past the 30 days and you say, hey, I want my crypto back, you can get it back. There's just no fee. So either way, you can get it back, all right? So what I'll do on that second withdrawal with the referral rewards, I'll go back in and add more, and we'll probably do some more with that one as well. But today we just want to do a withdrawal just to see how it works, and then see if it's going to hit the wallet. I don't know. It's my first time with the platform. So let's see what we got. So it says here $12.63. So you would come over here, right, and click withdraw. Pretty simple, right? And it says right here, there's a 3% withdrawal fee is applied to all fund withdrawals. This fee is automatically deducted from the requested amount at the time of the withdrawal and covers both system and performance charges. All right, so they're going to charge 3%. All right, so we already know that. Okay, let's see what it says here. Withdrawals are typically processed, it says instantly, but up to 24 hours. I'm just going to go with that. 24 hours, I should have it. Okay, we haven't processed any, as you can see right here. This is brand new. All right, so we're gonna go here to the ZDAF wallet, which is where I saw I had $12.64 in there, right? They're gonna take 3% of it, but we're gonna do it. Let's see, we're gonna do $12, right? So we just hit continue. Well, let's see which crypto you want to withdraw in. You have USDT TRC 20, USD USDT ERC20, USDC Solana, USDT BSC, USDC BSC, and USDT Solana. I believe I'm going to do TRC20, right? Okay, and I selected USDT TRC20. Then it shows right here after they deducted that 3%, it's down to 11.99 USDT TRC20. We put that info in there because that's what we're going to use, right? So let's come down here. It's not my mouse now. I don't know what's going on. Hold on, guys. All right, and then we're going to click continue. They say, are you sure that's the right wallet? Yes. All right, and then it says password. Okay, I got to get my OTP. They send you an email, right, to put a code in so we can make sure this is actually you, right, requesting it, because you're going to get a code. Hang on a second. Let me get this code, and we'll put it in here. All right, it should take a second. Give me a minute. Hang on, guys. Hold on. All right, we requested it. Here it is. We hit submit. Boom. Uh-oh, we didn't do that right. Hold on. Okay, it says request is sent. See, the wallet is zeroed out pretty much, right? So if we come over here, I'm not going to keep you guys. I just wanted to show that. See if we can see where it is. Hold on. Withdrawal. Let's see. And this, I just received an email. See, it says it could take up to 24 hours, but I just received an email from them. Okay, let's see what it says. Notification, wallet address, boom. All right, so see right here, it's gone, guys. So we will see if I actually get it. And again, we're going to allow up to 24 hours. But if you're interested in getting started with this thing, again, use Risk Capital. Go to the link in the description, www.aitradingbot.info, and check it out. All right. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. All right, guys. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be blessed. Have a great day.